Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing today? It is beautiful out at 61 degrees. I've got some follow-up information on my car. Just so you all know, by the airing of all these videos, a lot of these I shot a long time ago, basically, a little while back. I always do things in advance, so I'm not just making a video, then posting it, making a video, then posting it. So, if I haven't got to your responses, there was a good reason I was in China. So I'm going to have some video footage of while I'm in China at different times in different videos. Maybe I'll just do a whole video on one. But while my car is getting rebuilt and coming back to life, I've been in China. So at least that helped me get my mind off of it. It's been a long couple weeks. And I was literally gone for 3 weeks, and now I'm back. And in this video, I just want to say, hey, the car is almost done, which is great news. Everything that I needed got there on time, got done on time, and it'll be an exciting build. Can't wait to see what my numbers are. They should be about the same. I didn't go too crazy or anything like that. I just got the things that I needed replaced. Still some worries if I use the same supercharger in there with the bearings. There's always that potential. They say in the 17 model that they have, or the 18, 17, like they put in the wide body Hellcats, they don't have the bearing issues. It just really depends on the manufacturing date. So really count my blessings, hoping that doesn't happen. But if it does, it does. Not much I can do about it besides get another new one. But either way, the shop has been amazing. So I'm gonna have some clips, and we're gonna go back in time. Some of the clips that I'm gonna have are getting my vehicle there. I mentioned I had a hard time finding a trailer, so we towed it. So I've got some video footage or everything of me following the tow truck in my car all the way to a shop. And there's gonna be some footage of the shop that I go to, Tim Barth, and you're gonna see some great things. There's all kinds of things I could do to my car, but again, like I said, everything costs money. Don't have crazy money or anything like that, I wish, but work hard for it. And well, that's that. This video is going to be short. I just wanted everybody to know more videos are to come, especially when the car is done. I was cutting my videos back while I was gone to Monday and Thursday because I filmed all of them before I went. So again, that's why I probably didn't get back to all those comments. But here soon, going forward, we're going to have some great things coming to the channel. Some newer mods that I decided to go ahead and get done. Nothing huge, but to me they're big. I watched a whole bunch of different reviews on stuff. Work, Play, Drive. New to his channel. I actually saw it through Growl's Garage and RT Life and Burnsy's RT. They all had him having comments occasionally, or they all mentioned him at one time. So I saw his review, and I'll go ahead and reveal one of my things that I got was on a Barton shifter. So I'm pretty excited about that, having a manual transmission. There is a struggle with the stock shifter. Doesn't like to go in gear all the time. It is very frustrating. So I got to sit when I was in Tim Barth's shop in another person's car, thank you, and try out a Barton shifter. And when they say 40% reduction, holy cow. I mean, it was like a 1/4 of an inch forward, 1/4 of an inch back to get in gear. And you don't have to slap it in the first. I mean, you have to put some force to it, but you push it in the first and second. But as soon as you let it go, it instantly pops in between 3 and 4. So, you know, when you're looking at 1/4 mile times, and I'll agree with Work, Play, Drive, when you're looking at 1/4 mile times, when you're sitting there fumbling with a shifter, you're losing seconds. And I'm going to be new to the track. This will be my first experience, but I want to do great right off the bat. I don't want to go in there and just be horrid, but you know, everyone's going to look at you and you got this 1100 horsepower, 1120 horsepower Hellcat, and you're getting like, you know, 13s, 14s, which isn't bad, but it's not what it's capable of. So you know, everyone assumes just because you have a car that you should get these amazing times, and I really wish it was that way, but you know, it takes a lot of driving experience. There's people that go there every weekend. I work 24/7, so I'm always on call. I wish that would be as easy as it is. My wife also works crazy hours all the time, so we have some busy lives, and you know, we have goals and things that we want to achieve, and it's not something that we can just do at the drop of a hat and just go and spend it all day at the track. I would love to. Hopefully here soon I'll have some videos. Again, once the car's back, there will definitely be a video of me at the track. I am going to try that out. But anyhow, hope you like these videos. They're going to get better. Keep on watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. Ethanol Hound all the way. And remember, the E85, what's in your tank? I highly recommend it. Gas prices are going up everywhere in the world. $4, $5 a gallon in some areas. And guess what? I'm paying $1.82 and getting the same, if not better, gas mileage. Do I get better gas mileage when I punch it? Heck no. You're not going to get that on home gas either. But E85, what's in your tank? That's my new slogan for you. So, love it. Can't beat it. And I know it's not accessible to everybody. It's no different than people that are looking at Tesla cars. There's not always a charging station. So for you guys, I feel bad for you. Hopefully one day, the industry I work in, we get more promoters and we get ethanol at every gas station, because it's made here in America. That's awesome to say that. It's made right here. So hope you guys like. I will see you guys later, and here's some quick footage of me getting my car all the way to the shop, because it was definitely an event. Have a great day. Well, you know, I got to get a retune after I get a new supercharger put in, even if it's the exact same one. But here you go, my dyno numbers from the last one. 952, and torque is 901. So amazing numbers. So all I can hope is that I get the same exact numbers when I get the car back after it's all done getting rebuilt from the supercharger issue. Alrighty, there you go. Before my car goes in the shop. Gonna miss my baby. Be safe, my love. What's up, YouTube? On my way to deliver this car. You've probably seen some videos ahead of time, but this is my video of when I'm taking my car to the shop to get fixed. Damn supercharger went down on me, bearing issue, and now we're gonna go take it to Tim Barth to get fixed. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Maybe I'll get a good view, but they are literally following behind me, and there's the tow truck. So they're towing it. As you all heard in my previous videos, I was having a hard time finding a trailer unless I wanted to buy one, and I didn't want to buy one yet. Probably in the near future I'll be buying a trailer, just so that way if something goes wrong with my car when I'm at the drag strip, I can get it fixed. So stay tuned. There's going to be a little footage of our drive to Tim Barth's location in Hampshire, Illinois, and the joys of looking at my car until I get it back. Stay
That's what I'm talking about.